Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this EX VHIG wireless earbuds. Bluetooth 5.4. These are in-ear buds with 6 microphones with ENC Noise Cancelling. That means we can make a clear call with that here. It's mini earphone with deep bass, HiFi stereo sound and LED power display with 35 hours playback time and IP7 waterproof headphones for Android and iOS. In black. It's also on the market in midnight. Available. Experience a clear and crisp calls like never before with the 6 microphones at the ENC Noise Cancellation. The J11 noise cancelling earbuds redefine the call quality, ensuring as that our voice is heard with the clarity while effectively blocking out the distracting background noises. We enjoy more stable and seamless communication experience wherever we are working, commuting, traveling, or catching up with loved ones. Plus, the earbuds can reduce wind noise during the outdoor activities like running, cycling, or hiking. And we discovered the power of the enhanced Bluetooth 5.4. Faster, more stable connections with our Android and iOS devices. It's upgraded to the 5.4 for lightning fast, rock-solid connection and wider compatibility across all our devices, from phone and tablets to personal computers and televisions. After the first connection, the earbuds wireless connected to our device once the lid is opened. This making operation, of course, easy. This is an ideal gift for all. Also, we can touch it to control the volume, the tracks, the call, or activate the voice assistants with ease. And its tiny size at a big power. The 3.4 gram earphones with ergonomic design ensures they fit snugly to our ears. As if they were custom made for us, the ensuring extended wear without any strain. Unlike traditional silicone ear tips, this semi-in-ear design priorities both comfort and hearing protection. We enjoy perfect music even when they sit potentially outside the ear canal, and minimize the earwax building. With a pocket-sized charging box, the Bluetooth earphones are our perfect companion for jogging and workouts. And superior immersive hi-fi stereo sound. We dive into a world of rich, high-fidelity audio with these premium earbuds, wireless, boosted 13mm dynamic drivers, with expanded stereo imaging. Every rhythm and melody comes alive, surrounding us with an unpropulated audio depth, as if we are front row at a live concert. Whether we are a music lover or a movie buff, these Bluetooth headphones delivers unparalleled clarity and depth, ensuring every moment is unforgettable. And this 34 hours long battery life. 1 hour USB-C fast charging, LED power display, and IP6 waterproof level. We enjoy up to 5 hours of listening time on a single earbud, and up to 35 hours with the charging case. We stay informed with the sleek, light-emitted diode power display, providing real-time updates on the battery levels. Convenient and fast charge with the Type-C port and the cable provided. Plus, we rest easy knowing our wireless headphones are IP7 waterproof, designed to handle daily splashes effortlessly. We deserve that, of course. We have Bluetooth 5.4, ENC Noise Cancelling, 6 microphones, IP7 waterproof, clear calls, LED power display, HiFi stereo, and 3.4 gram light-weight each earbud. HiFi surround sound, immerse ourselves in a true 3D. It calls as clear as a face-to-face call, with deep noise cancellation even on the flights, and perfect for cycling or running, the wind noise proof. The ENC and the 6 microphones. One more speaker, double the clarity. We enjoy the silence with the J11 earbuds. That means noise cancellation, baby. And we have Bluetooth 5.4. Faster, wider, stronger connections for music and calls. Seamlessly compatible with all our iOS and Android devices. And other Bluetooth devices too. and we have an all-day sound. The power of the charging case gives us an information in big letters. The charging bar of the left earbud, we have a charging bar on the right earbud on the screen of our charging case to see how much power is left. A single charge costs only 5 hours. With charging case, 35 hours, and USB-C fast charging is possible. We have 3.4 gram lightweight design. Every detail for a comfortable, secure fit. We have a U-shaped semi-in-ear design. This fits to our ear, no pain, baby. And we have a smooth sound port, gentle and safe placement, and a curved stem that makes secure the fit. In-ear can cause a big thing because we have a semi-in-ear here. This protects the ear channel by staying closer to our ear wall. This all and more brings us this wireless earbud set to us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.